Good morning, everyone. I'm John Andreani from Andreani Group, and I work as a technician for the off-road department. Today, we want to show you these two machines. Basically, in our suspension, we can find two types of force. One force is connected to the amount of stroke, the amount of compression that we give to our suspension, and this is the elastic force. And on the other side, we have the hydraulic force, so force which is connected to the speed of the compression, to the faster or slower speed of the compression. With our two machines, we are able to characterize all these aspects and to have quite a good picture of how the suspension is working. With the dyno spring, we're able to measure and to have a graphic of all the progression of the elastic force, So that means that we can measure spring, bump rubber, air front fork, air cartridge, every type of component which has an elastic force. So a force connected to the compression. On the other side, I have the dyno bands, which is a dyno for the hydraulic damping, so that we can characterize and measure the hydraulic force that we have at our suspension at each speed that we decide. Hydraulic force, as I said before, is connected to the speed, and so we can measure what force we have, what damping force we have at a certain speed or at another speed, faster or slower. So we are able in this way to characterize the behavior of our suspension 360 degrees. And then we can use this information to set for the best the bike for our customer, teams, riders, and use all this information to make our job better and in a more professional way. So they can be used both for a job of research and development to understand the way that a new front fork or a new shock behave, and for the everyday work in a workshop when a new customer arrives to us, and just to understand the type of suspension that he's using, the force that he's using, and what is he complaining about, and how to satisfy in the best way his request. For all other information, feel free to contact us or to visit our website, and you'll find all the information about our products and how to reach us.